Homemade pumpkin pecan swirl pie. Hey everyone! Before we jump into this delicious recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun holiday ideas for your home, from festive recipes to decorating tips, and even puppy updates. And if you're looking for your next home, or maybe one with the perfect kitchen for baking pies like this one, give me a call. I'm Margarett, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. Stick around until the end for a fun and little-known fact about pies that'll impress everyone at your Thanksgiving table. Let's get baking. Classic homemade pumpkin pecan swirl pie. This showstopper combines the creamy spiced flavor of a traditional pumpkin pie with the gooey, nutty sweetness of a pecan pie. It's a double hitter that'll have everyone going back for seconds. Ingredients for the crust: 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, tablespoon sugar, 1/2 cup, 1 stick, cold unsalted butter, cut into cubes, 4 tablespoons ice water for the pumpkin layer, 1 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup brown sugar, teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, large eggs, 3/4 cup evaporated milk for the pecan swirl layer, 1/3 cup light corn syrup, 1/3 cup brown sugar, tablespoon melted butter and teaspoon vanilla, extract large egg, 1/2 cup chopped pecans. Step-by-step instructions. Make the crust. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, salt, and sugar. Cut in cold butter using a pastry cutter or your fingertips until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, just until the dough starts to come together. Form into a ball, wrap in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Margarett's tip: roll your dough out between 2 sheets of parchment paper to keep your counters clean and your dough easy to lift. Pre-bake the crust. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees. Roll out the dough to fit a 9-inch pie dish, trim the edges, and crimp them with your fingers or a fork. Line with parchment paper and fill with pie weights or dried beans. Bake for 15 minutes, then remove the paper and weights and bake another 5 minutes until lightly golden. Set aside to cool slightly. Make the pumpkin filling. In a medium bowl, whisk together pumpkin puree, brown sugar, spices, eggs, and evaporated milk until smooth. Make the pecan filling. In another bowl, whisk together corn syrup, brown sugar, melted butter, vanilla, and egg. Stir in chopped pecans. Assemble the pie. Pour the pumpkin mixture into your pre-baked crust. Spoon the pecan mixture on top in small dollops, then use a knife or skewer to gently swirl the 2 layers together for that beautiful marbled look. Bake at 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees, for 50 to 55 minutes, or until the center is set but still slightly jiggly. If the crust browns too quickly, cover the edges with foil during the last 15 minutes. Cool and serve. Let the pie cool completely before slicing. This helps it set up beautifully. Top with whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for extra indulgence. Fun pie fact: did you know that early American colonists didn't eat pumpkin pie as we know it? They actually filled hollowed-out pumpkins with milk, honey, and spices, and baked them right in the fire. Talk about rustic dessert! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more holiday ideas, home inspiration, and a sprinkle of dachshund cuteness. If you're ready to find your new home for the holidays, call me, Margarett, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and let's make it happen. Email me at margarett.klein@xrealty.com. Check out my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Go to my YouTube channel at buha.youtube.com@DreamHomesSpace, Coast, Florida. Then K's for watching and happy baking. May your pies be perfect and your holidays full of joy, and maybe a few puppy cuddles too.